Only true fans can score March 3rd on this Saiyan Everglow quiz. Let's see what you know. Question 1. Before debuting with Everglow, which survival show did Saiyan compete in? Time starts now. Put your knowledge to work. The answer is Produce 101 and Produce 48. Question 2. What is Saiyan's specific position in Everglow besides being the lead vocalist? Time starts now. Checking your fandom IQ. The answer is the leader. Question 3. Which famous K-pop group member is known to be one of Saiyan's closest friends? Time starts now. Reveal the hidden secret. The answer is Erin. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to K-Trivia for more challenges.